working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night. I'm working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael out here in my boy Rhett's garage. Out here working on this beautiful yellow beast. Not really being a beast right now though. It's kind of being a paperweight. But yeah. Anyway, I'm starting up this series. I think I'm gonna call it like Rebuilding the Bumblebee or something like that. Anyway, we got a 4.0 inline 6, and I mean it's toast. I mean, we're talking 2 pistons. We dropped the oil pan today, and look at the remnants of this.
You guys want to see the glory?
I mean, we're talking rings, seats,
sleeves,
I mean,
piston,
whole chunks of piston.
Look at the size of that.
It's toast.
It's done for.
So for now, we start the preparations of getting this engine pulled. I'm gonna get a cherry picker from my grandpa tomorrow. I call him the Jeep King for a reason. We're gonna pull this. I'm gonna try and pull this engine out, and then from there, either junkyard it or get a new one. Hopefully, get Colton back out on the mountain with us. But this is what happens when you hydrolock your Jeep. And I do have footage of him being pulled down the mountain. So, but of course, this thing blew up a month later. But still, I mean, this is I mean, it's in ruins. This is no bueno. Anyway, just a short little video. I don't got any, like, you know, footage of pulling the thing apart, but
He'll have footage soon. When we pull this engine out, you guys will see all of it. I'll make sure he records every single bit of it.
yeah, I'll get some footage of it. We just been kind of BSing, just the boys out here, just figuring stuff out. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the little update video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow my social medias down below in the description. Until next time, guys, it's your boy Michael signing out. Peace.
We are the